customers have special requirements. In Häfele Service Plus operation, we provide custom solutions that will meet their needs and accomplish their goals. Whether that's repack kits for customer specification or ready-to-assemble products like matrix drawer boxes, Aluflex sliding solutions, or our popular Looks Like bar production. Our Repack machine is an absolute game changer from a capability, efficiency, and quality perspective. It's truly increased our capacity for satisfying our future customer needs. Häfele Service Plus can help with everything from pairing decorative hardware with mounting screws to kits for cabinet and furniture construction with all the necessary components. We can also generate custom barcodes and labeling. With our fast automatic weigher and bagger, large quantities of single item components can be quickly bagged, labeled, and shipped to our customers to enhance their manufacturing process. Bottom line, our repack process makes our customers much more efficient by saving them valuable labor time and cost. We had a recent customer visit. He was mentioning to us he had to weigh count out 50 shelf supports before he could produce the product. We can eliminate that work, making it much more easy and efficient for our customers, the ultimate value add.